Mic check. All right, sound is working, the music's working, everything's working. Now we just got to get the chat going. So once the chat is up, we're all ready to go, guys. Let's go. We are just waiting for the TikTok chat to go live. This usually takes a minute or two. You're currently not active live stream on TikTok. We'll connect to your chat in a few minutes automatically. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, there's quite a few of you joining up already. How many of you are trading NASDAQ with us today, guys? And what you've thought of the price action so far? Thought the price action's good? Yeah, Ahmed, you here again, yeah? Good lad. Chad's joined. You go in for buys? I'm not sure at the moment. Because we are almost at all-time highs, but we're hitting a wall kind of in this area down here, so I'm not quite sure. Well, this area down here, we're hitting a wall, so not quite sure what's going on at the moment, but possibly there could be buys, but I'm not married to my bias. Yo, how's it going? So yeah, price action's been shit London session, and it looks pretty choppy and shit right now as well. So yeah, I'm just waiting. Who's trading right now? Any of you guys put on any trades? Are you in a trade right now, or are you still waiting for a setup because you also think the price action is quite shit and choppy? I told you I'd try catch every stream, man. Yeah, man. Amari, thank you, Amari. It's Ito Shirin. I'm in buy. Okay, well done. When did you enter your buy, and how long have you been holding for? Ashley, thank you very much for following. Not Josu, waiting for an entry for longs, but I'm not 100% yet. Yeah, I'm in the same boat as you. I'm not 100% yet because there is there's a kind of let me just show you what I'm looking at the moment. So if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that this area is kind of hitting a wall. I don't know if it's just going to keep bombing past it and just creating all-time highs as usual, but we might be hitting a wall there and then some sort of rejection, but I don't see it rejecting now. All I can see it doing is retracing into this area and then maybe pushing up again. But I've passed my funded and I'm in consistency at the moment, so I actually can't take a trade. As you can see, I'm 26,555 up. It's a 25k challenge. $1,500 was the profit target, and I'm still in consistency, so I have to just make $1 trades for the next day, so today and tomorrow. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and then on Wednesday I'll be on a funded account. I'm up 1k on my funded next 50k. Oh, are you on a funded next account? Are you on funded next futures, or are you on funded next CFDs, Amari? 30.556. Ito Shrin. 30.556. So you entered here. Ooh. Pretty nice. I can see why you entered there. Retracement, price wasn't breaking down this area, so you took a buy here. And have you held it ever since? Thank you very much for following, Jeffrey. Thank you. Amari, futures, funded next futures. How are you finding funded next? I've only traded funded next CFDs. I never actually traded a funded next futures account. Is their futures good? Jonah Leon, hey, how you doing, my brother? Jonah Leon, how you doing? Wow, we got 30 people with us joining us right now. Guys, where are you from? Where in the world are you guys from watching me right now? And also, are you trading right now? Are you trading NASDAQ? Are you trading gold? Join in on the conversation. We love to have new people in the chat all the time. It's nice. Jonathan, doing good. What about you? I'm doing good. I'm just on a take profit trader funded challenge account at the moment. I've passed the funded account. It's just that I'm in consistency, so I've got to show them that I've traded for 5 days. I've got today and tomorrow left. So I've done today. I've just got to trade tomorrow. So I'm not actually taking a trade or an entry, but I will be analyzing the charts. Annie, CA. Oh, wicked. Nice to meet you, Annie. What's the time where you are? Not Josu. I just got a payout 2 days ago on my Lucid 25k. Absolutely brilliant. Did you have to do a consistency on your Lucid account? So like you can pass in 1 day, but then after you pass, is there a consistency? Not Josu. First ever payout. Well done. Well done. Absolutely brilliant. Not Josu. Brilliant. Well done, brother. Or sister. I don't know who you are. Annie, 4:22 a.m. in California. Oh my God. Annie, hit the follow button. Stay locked in with us, guys. Every single day. We do Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. Thank you very much, Annie, for following. And then we do 12 p.m. Thank you very much, Not Josu, for following. And then we do 12 p.m. GMT, which is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, so pre-New York session, I'm on here as well. So Jonah Lian, nice. Hate consistency, doing that myself. I got 3 days of $150 and 1,050 more profit. Well done, well done. Then you'll get your payouts. Jonah Lian can take a payout on my 50k. Maha, hello Maha, how are you? Maha's asking, how can I get a funded account? You need to do a prop firm challenge to get a funded account. You can buy the funded account so that you don't have to go through the challenge phase, but they're way more expensive. So it all depends on you and the way you trade and your trading style. How long have you been trading, Maha? Not Josu. No, I got Lucid Flex consistency only on eval. Oh, okay. You'll pass that eval. Have you passed the eval, or you on the eval stage at the moment? Maha, how much? It depends which prop firm you want to go with. Who have you traded with so far? Impossibleski. Are you trading September contracts or still? I've moved over to the September contracts this morning because September was showing price difference to what everybody else was looking at. And remember, we've only got 3 days left. So on the 18th, it expires anyway. So I think most of the people have jumped ship onto this one already. So I'm on the September contracts. So guys, yeah, if you see a price difference here on the right hand side, just remember I'm on the September contracts now. How much you make daily? That depends. It depends if I'm copy trading it across 1 count, 2 count, 3 count. That's what. Bless me. That's what I was rubbing my nose like this. I didn't want to sneeze and then it just came. How much I make daily? That all depends. I could be making $750 daily. Right now I am, because I'm on Take Profit Trader challenge phase. But if I'm copy trading 4 accounts, 5 accounts, then whatever I make on 1 account, it will copy over onto my 4 or 5 accounts, 10 accounts, 20 accounts, whatever. So just say I'm doing $500 on 1 account and it copy trades over total of 5 accounts. That's $2,500 in a day you could be making. But then if you do more accounts, then obviously you're making more. And then if you're making more money on 1 account, then obviously you're making more money across your copy trading. So it always varies on how many accounts you're doing, if you're doing 1 or if you're copy trading, and how much profit you're taking daily. And then plus you get profit splits from the prop firms. Jonah Lian, what do you think about the news today in terms of market structure? 1 second, I'll come back to you. Thank you very much for following. I missed that one. I never use funding account. Okay. Do you trade with your personal funds at the moment? If so, if you're trading with your personal money, how much are you trading with and how much money have you made? Thank you very much for following, user. I lost all my money in trading, sir. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. If you've lost all your money in trading, I don't think you should be buying prop firms right now and then trying to put money into prop firms. I think you should learn the art and the skill of trading before you start pumping any more money into the markets. Learn it so you can start extracting money from the markets. You don't want to give up everything. Annie, bless you. Thank you very much, Annie. Maha, bless you. Thank you very much, Maha. No, Josu, bless, brother, bless. Thank you so much. What's the best interval? It depends. you can do higher time frame analysis. If you're scalping, you're probably going to be on the lowest time frames from the minute to the seconds. But then if you're on day trading, you're going to be looking at the higher time frame and then executing anywhere between the 10 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute, depends. Back to where we are. What do you think about the news today in mid-term of instruction? The news today, I don't think we had any red folder news events. Let's just have a look at the economic calendar. We'll go back and then we'll quickly just have a quick look at this. No red folder news today, so everything here, look, you're good to go. Let's just double check if Trump's dropped anything. And we've had no red folder news at the moment even on Forex Factory. So yeah, we've not had anything. But in terms of market structure, the market's been very choppy and shit. All we've been doing is just catching all-time highs. So right now, I don't like trading all-time highs because we're only just going in one direction, and that's up. So is the bias going to be up, or are you going to see some sort of structure change in the markets with technical analysis? And that way you can identify if you're going to be trading with the trend or against the trend, or you're changing direction. So it totally just depends on market structure, what the market's doing. And right now, thank you very much, K-Town's finest, thank you very much. And right now, look, what all we've done here is pump up, and we got this massive gap. We've just pumped up all morning. So Monday's been like this. Asian session's been pumping. London session has pumped, had a retracement, slight, not a deep retracement, and it's just pumped up again. But we're hitting a wall here, hitting a wall in this area here. As you can see, prices hit there and push back down again. So now I'm thinking, is it going to retrace from here and just keep pushing down? Because if it did, you'd want a deeper retracement. You wouldn't want one from here straight away. You'd want it to go slightly higher and then push down. But market's choppy, you can't really see what it's doing at the moment. Jonah Lian talking about the war. Oh, God knows what they're doing, man. They're just making us guys lose, and they're just making money themselves. If any, thank you very much, George Antonio, thank you very much. Oh, George Antonio, oh yes, please, that'd be great. George, I was meaning to hear from you earlier on today, but then I remembered you're in a different country to me, innit? George, where are you from? So I'll be back. I can't read your name, sorry. That's not a choppy market. I'm quite clear. Okay, if you're quite clear, then you should take a nice entry. But market is choppy, as you can see. This is a choppy market. This is what you call a choppy market. Look at the Asian session all the way till here. It's been very choppy. There's no real clear entry. So according to me, that is, but to you, that might be a great market. See, this is what I was saying, guys. You might actually this is what I was saying earlier, this fair value gap here, you got to watch out for it, because it probably can just balance the price out and then continue pushing up. That's what you needed to watch out for. That's what I was saying to you guys earlier. But then again, the way these candles have pushed down and it's hit a wall at the top, possibly can retrace and push right back down from it. So that's why I'm not entering. So when I'm indecisive, I don't enter. George Antonio, Cyprus, brother, Limassol. Oh, wicked. My cousin's actually moved over to Cyprus. I think she's in Limassol as well. I'm not quite sure. Have you always been there? Tawonga. It was not choppy, it was rebalancing, mate. Okay, Tawonga, if that's what you're saying, yeah. Each to their own. Like, this is just me reading the market as I read the market. And then if you see it different, then that's fine. But if you're saying there's not been chopping all morning and it's rebalancing, mate, there's not really been. There's on the 1 hour time frame, price is not really rebalancing until it comes right back down to here. This is where price would be rebalancing. Price doesn't rebalance here. This can just be retracing slightly and just pushing up, or just consolidating. Really, we currently don't know what price is. It depends what kind of trader you are, Tawango. You might be, are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you swing trading? I'm not quite sure. It all depends on the style of trading you're doing. Check your WA after your live. Haha, you rock. Giorgio Antonia, yes, I will do. I will do. Born and raised, visit us. We'll go for beers and steaks. Do you know what? I actually stopped drinking alcohol, but depending on how good we're doing in the trading, I might go for a mocktail. I'll go for a mocktail with you guys, definitely. You lot can drink and I'll drive you around Cyprus. Swanga, not on the one, but it had to take London low, then push up, and it did that. So we're gonna get a New York continuation. Okay, Twanga, okay, I understand what you're saying. Makes sense. That does make sense what you're saying. Giorgio Antonio, you're laughing. Yeah, man. So are we all sorted for that PU Prime stuff? There you go. It's pushed down from exactly where I told you that there might be some sort of retracement. So what I was saying before I was explaining stuff, I would like a deeper retracement, which did come. So, but then ideally I would have liked price to continue pushing down. So from there, I would have liked price to continue pushing further down to about here. That's what I would have liked. I'm seeing you going long or short. I'm looking at a short at the moment, but because we're at all-time highs, I don't really like risking trading too much, because I can't actually figure out what direction price is actually going into. Tuanga, and we have a wickless 5 minute on the 5 minute 547. That's where it probably retracing to. Possibly. It's all down to each to their own analysis and their own game plan. So H1 Mazzy, comfort zone. Can you suggest anyone to recommend learning from? Comfort zone. You can learn every day from our YouTube channel here and our TikToks. But if you want to go down the actual learning courses route and all the rest of it, you can actually just go onto YouTube. There's a lot of free information on YouTube, but if you've already learned the free information on YouTube and you just can't get funded at the moment and you can't make money from the markets and you just need leveling up a little bit, I do mentorships, but obviously that will be at a cost. So, but you can DM me for that. Otherwise, DM me anyway, and I'll send you all the links for the free information online. Because I think everybody should. Thank you very much, Comfort Zone. Just DM me. I think everybody should be getting free education before they start trading. Like I'm finding mentors and paying for courses and all the rest of it. Everything is online for free. The only time you need some sort of mentorship and some sort of training is when you've learned everything, but then you still can't make money from the markets. Your psychology is messing with you and you just need leveling up. You just need that little bit of a push just to start executing your right trades at the right time. Warrior 1, aren't there big gaps that need to be filled? Yes, there are big gaps that need to be filled, but remember, price doesn't always go back to the gaps and fill the gaps. Just remember that price can just continue shooting up or down, because we're at all-time highs. Price can do anything right now. It doesn't have to go back to fill the gaps till a later date. It could go back to fill the gaps in a few days. It might do it today at New York session, sorry, but it always just depends. D-Sav, just caught my daily in shorts 259. Tawanga, nah, I'm not doubting you, bro, because we trade the same strat using those fib levels. Yeah, brother. You know, anything can happen right now in these markets. Anything can happen. We just fucking it's always about, it's just about a win rate, isn't it? What win rate you're getting, what strategy you're using, and all the rest of it. Because price can just keep tapping into this area here, and it can reverse and push up, because it might just be getting liquidity from this area down here. But who knows what it's doing. Will DM you. Comfort zone, yeah, that'd be nice, man. DM me, drop me a DM, we can chat. I'll redirect you to all the free places where you can get free education online. Because I did do mentorships. Even my cousin one time, he wanted mentorship from me. And I told him I'm not going to give it you. But he got upset with me. But I was like, it's not the fact that I don't want to give you the mentorship. It's the fact that you can get that information for free. And depending on how much you've learned, then you can get onto a mentorship program. Because there's no point me just teaching you advanced stuff and you've not learned the basics. You know what I mean? Yeah, comfort zone, that'll be good. Bro has negative risk to reward. JJ, what do you mean by that? I'm not quite sure what you mean, bro. JJ, is that a question? I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. See, look, sorry if that was there where I was saying. So let's see how much profits we would have already took on that first. Twanga, I missed those shorts. I'm so mad. I had it marked but couldn't limit it. Bro, it happens sometimes. Twanga, it happens. Like, I do that every single day. And the worst thing is when I'm trading live, I get analysis paralysis. So I'm looking at the charts. I know exactly what's going on. I'm talking and then I just get so confused and I just don't hit the thing. But this would have just been a quick scalp. So this would have been like literally, it wouldn't have even been at the bottom. It would have just been around about here. So that would have been a 1 to 2. So let me just show you how much money we could have made on that trade. To be fair, I'd keep that lot less there. But we would have done, look, price is coming back. Right now, would have been broken even. It would have just stopped me out break even. But if I took profits here, then that would have given me, I would have taken out profits from the market. Now, why is that on 30 micros? What the flip? So just I'll go to 5. You put your stop loss here. We'll go 8. Yeah, slightly better. Oh, yeah. So just say you were risking $260 and you took your take profit here at a 1 to 2. That would have been $730 already. And now that would have even broken me out by now. So, but currently, because I'm on take profit trader, let me just show you guys what I'm currently on at the moment, so I don't confuse you guys on what I'm doing. Banga, I missed those shorts. Your bias is long after this. No, I'm not long or shorts at the moment. I'm waiting. If Ascend Academy, yes, if because I'm already in a take profit trader challenge. So I'm saying if this and if that, because I'm already here you go. This is take profit trader. I'm on a consistency. Ascend Academy, if I'm on a I'm on consistency. So I've done 3 days out of 5. I've made $1,573 and your profit target was $1,500, and Your biggest day cannot be more than $736, it says down here. Or 750 really is. So I've only got 2 days consistency left. Today I've done. This will refresh tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'll only have 1 day consistency left. So I can't actually sit there taking a trade. And you're saying if. As if you're doing anything here. What are you trading right now, bro? You reckon longs right now? No, I don't reckon anything. I'm not giving you any financial advice. I'm just trading myself live. And this is a good community, a good place where we always hang out. So I don't really need Ascend Academy. How long have you been trading? And are you trading right now? Thank you very much for following XPA. Let's see if we get cleaner price action on any other time frame. 2 minutes a lot cleaner. But I wouldn't take an entry at the moment. I have to wait for price to probably break this area here. This would have been a nice place to enter actually. Obviously because we're on an uptrend. This was looking like it's breaking structure to the downside, but because we're on an uptrend, you have to look at market structure. Collected liquidity from this 2 minute fair value gap. Let's continue pushing up. Let's see if it breaks past this area, because that would have been a nice buy. Can you tell me all the basics? What would you like to know about the basics? Because you can get that on YouTube. You could just go on YouTube and just put in trading basics, and then put all your questions into ChatGPT, and it change them to video questions that you can actually put into questions onto YouTube and search for it. Let's have a look what it looks like on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, George, that's the best way, because if you ask anybody else, then everyone's just going to start trying to sell you courses. So the best thing to do is get all the free information from YouTube and online as much as you can before you start paying people out and then losing money both ways. You'd rather get the free information. Look at that 5 minute rejection wick. The 30 minute rejection wick. That's completely balanced price right out here. Let's see what it does after that. So guys, who's trading right now? Thank you very much for following. Georgios, are you still with us? Are you still here right now? Got in longs at 5:30. Twanga, let's have a look. That's a pretty decent place to get into the longs at. That was a very good place. I'm looking for kings if we break structure at 618. Yeah, I can't figure out what the market's doing at the moment. I actually don't like this type of price action. Twanga, how long have you been trading for, bro? And who caught this trade this morning? Yeah, tell me about it, wave trend. That's exactly what I've been telling everybody. I was like, this price action is not good for me. How can we trade after that pump? Just woke up. Fuck. 8 months now, but started the strategy 2 months ago. Okay, nice one. Nice one. That's good. Are you profitable now? Are you trading prop firms? Are you trading personal accounts? Wave trend analysis. Can't short and scared to take longs after 3%. Trust me, man. You can't short because there's nothing to look left on, because we're at all-time highs, and you can't just enter a buy straight away until you get a very nice retracement. And a lot of people have caught good retracements up around here, and even earlier on London session around about here. So you could get good small moves, but I think getting the small moves is better than nothing. At least you get a small piece of the cake rather than eating the whole cake yourself. At least you can get in on some of the small moves and make a bit of profit for the day and get out of the markets. Prop firms got 13k in payouts at the moment, but I'm not consistent, so that's what I'm working on. Well done, brother. Well done, Twanga. I've been getting payouts since July 2025. Last year. It's going to come up to a year now. And the problem is... Thank you very much for following, Twanga. And the problem is... After every payout or every other payout, I'm oversizing, over leveraging. Wave trend analysis, thank you very much for following. I oversize, over leverage, because I think, okay, I've made the money for the challenge. I've made a little bit extra. I've made some for that blue accounts, and I've made some for the accounts that I'm gonna buy in the future. So what I do, let me try to oversize, over leverage, and try to get a big move, and then price always taps you out when you've oversized, isn't it? So that's where it messes with my psychology, because I get greedy, but then I go on to passing the challenge and getting the payouts again slowly. So if I stick to it slowly but surely, scale and add more challenges on and scale up different prop firms, I'd probably be taking out way much more money. Sila Babila, you still up, brother? Yes, brother. In the UK, it is 1 p.m. And yeah, I'm still up. If you mean still up is in profit wise, yes. That's the same as me, bro. After every payout, I blow my account. It's annoying, really. Well, it's only annoying because we're trying to squeeze more out the markets, isn't it? So it's greed more than anything. It's just getting greedy. It's all right, though. As long as you're getting the payouts, you're passing the challenges, getting payouts. It pays for your challenge that you've already done. But soon I will be adding money into a broker and just slowly building my personal account as well. Guys, we got 50 of you in the room. Why are you guys not chatting? Who's trading with us right now, or who's trading what pair, what instrument? What is your favorite instrument, guys? What is your favorite pair to trade, or what is your favorite symbol to trade? Are you a CFD or a futures trader? Stefan FX 19. I'm in a sell, man. Excellent, excellent. Did you sell off from the top, the very top down here? Because price is hitting a wall around that area like that. So either you want price to break past that area or start dumping, but it's chopping, innit? It's choppy. For me, I don't care what anyone says. For me, this is choppy price action. It's not clean. It's not clean price action. Clean price action for me is something like we had on, where is it? Oh, you bastard, man. Price has just been pumping like shit. Like where you get clean moves like this. You have a push down, breaking structure to the downside, retracement, take your entry and just catch moves on a small leg. And then on retracements, price pushed up, retraced back into a discounted area before price just pushed back up again. That's clean price action. And that is something what I'm looking for today. But actually, look at this. The whole of Asian session was like this. What the fuck is that? You can't trade that. London sessions like that. That's fucking shit. And right now, price action is looking like this. So let's hope for something nice to happen in the markets. Swanga, I'm looking for longs too at 663. So we'll see if I get an entry right here at 6.618. Expose FX, there's always two instruments in a pair. Analyze it as one and you're almost guaranteed to fail. Expose FX, I'm not sure what you meant there. If you could just elaborate on that one, because that's interesting. Lol cakes in the house. Lol cakes. Ah. I see you. I see you. Are you going long? B banana. B for banana. I don't know. B for banana. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing in the markets right now. The price is chopping like shit. This is not the type of price action I like to trade in. I like some nice, pure, clean price action. Sila Babila looking to see how this 15-minute orb looks like. Are you going to go for the 8 a.m. orb or are you going to go for the 9:30 a.m. orb? Sorry. 8 a.m. orb or 9:30 a.m. orb? Which one do you guys actually go for? Euro is sovereign and so is USD. They each have independent values, rates and not value. Okay, okay, expose FX. Okay, I see what you mean. So two pairs. I meant two instruments in a pair. So you're saying GBP, USD, USD, JPY. But what about when it comes to futures pairs and stuff like that? Are you saying S&P and NASDAQ? Or are you saying Dow Jones and NASDAQ? Or you're saying you're getting correlating pairs where you can... yes, always two instruments. Okay, I see what you mean. Sila Babila watches both orbs. Anybody else in the house right now trade the orb strategy? S&P versus USD. Okay. Never heard of that, to be honest with you. I never even knew that existed. But you could... S&P 500 versus US dollar is not a tradable symbol though. You taught me if there's no setup, do not... You taught me if there's no setup, no trade. That's right. If there's no setup, there's no trade. It doesn't matter what I'm saying or what anybody says in the chat. Everyone needs to trade their own game plan. And if you can't see the setup, you should not be trading. If you can see the setup and you trade it, that's fine. If you can see the setup and I can't, I won't take the trade, but you should. If I see the setup, I take the trade, but you can't see it, I should trade and you shouldn't. If we both see the setup, we both should fucking go for it. That's how it should work, guys. Man, I can't believe price actions like this. It's absolutely shit. Let's have a look at my journal. Let's see what I've got. I've got myself a little journal, a little budget planner. Okay. So budget goal. That's good. This is good. I like this little diary that you can get as well, little budget planner. Oakley in the house. You think hold along right now, bro? Well, I don't know. I can't give you financial advice because price can literally go against you at any moment in time. So yeah, Oakley, thank you very much for following, brother. Twanga, hope these longs play out, bro. I'm down 2,500 and I got 150k eval in red to half pass. Ooh, $250. What's your on your eval, your 150k eval, what's your maximum loss limit? Yeah, so these monthly budgets are nice because look at that, feel good. You can put all your, it's your expenditure, expenses and expenditure and your budgeting. It's really good and it's nice, yeah, because you can write it in rather than putting everything on the computer or on your phone. Sometimes it's nice to just write it, look at it and think a little bit rather than just keep putting everything onto spreadsheets and everything just staying onto your computers. Twanga, 4,500 is the maximum loss limit. You trade. Okay, so you've got about $1,500 left. No, you've got about $2,000 left, sorry. So it all depends on what price is doing here. So if this continues pushing, you might be all right. If this breaks out of this area and continues pushing up, you might be all right. So you got $2,000 of drawdown left. Are you doing a full port, bro? have you maxed out on size? Cam too smooth. You trade with futures. Yes, Cam, I trade with futures, brother. And I'm down 2,500. I'm in this trade with 3 contracts. Shit risk management, but we'll see. Yeah, sometimes it happens, man. It happens. Sometimes then next time you just got to be slightly a bit more careful on how you pick and choose your trades. Don't rush the trades. The market, even if you miss it today just because price action's a bit shit, but you said price action was all right for you. Yeah, so that's different, innit? I'm just mad, bro. All the trades I took, they went in profit and reverse. That's why we call it choppy price action. Oakley entered along 180 points ago. Do you think I should sell at 0 and just hold? Oakley, I don't know, brother. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I can't give out financial advice. But this might move into your favor, Tawanga. Tawanga. Don't be mad. Just don't oversize, over leverage and force any more trades. Just wait for your proper A+ setup and then take a banging trade. You'll make all your money back, all the money that you lost. It's a practice account. Give advice. I can't because I don't know what the markets are doing. They're just very choppy. So you're saying I entered a long 180 points ago. So let's have a look where you've entered your long, if you just bear with me. So 180 points from there. That would be here. So you would have entered at 34.30. Yeah. And you're way in profit. So to me, it just sounds like either you're bullshitting or you're making so much fucking money right now. Mick R and Mick R8 yellow. I'm done 786 on my 3 funded. So you done $786 on 3 funded accounts. Is that in profit? I can see it, bro. I'm going to be when it takes that high. Look, your price, it's coming into your favor. Tawanga. Oakley is the best position ever. No, I'm absolutely 10,000% serious. I'll DM you a screenshot. They are linked. Okay, DM me. That's absolutely crazy. Banging of a trade, man. No, minus 786. Oh. Okay. So how many trades did you take today, Mick? Did you take 1 trade or did you take 2 trades or 3? Oh yeah, I'm hyped. 350k. My position's so good. This guy said I'm too much. Okay. Look. Tawanga, just when you got a smile on your face. Look, did you close it out or did you carry on? Rev cause was on profit and B. Okay. Look, it might go in your favor still. Have you been stopped out? Profit be profit. What the fuck is this price action? Mick, tell me about it. What the fuck is this price action? That's what I'm telling everyone. If you don't see a trade, don't fucking take it. If you see a trade and you know what you're doing, take it. If you don't see the trade, don't fucking take it, man. It's dangerous price action, bro. I think I just hold longs right now. Probably, because it could just be retracing. Sized my account to micros. Helps me from getting stomped out. Yeah, trust me, man. You don't have to be minis all the time. You could just do micros. And one nice oversized position and bam. Minus 786. Accept my DM. I will do. I currently can't go on my phone at the moment because it's being used for TikTok. But I will accept the DM as soon as I finish from here. If you have a massive push down, that might be there's a possible reversal, you know. If it's pushing down with momentum. Thank you very much. No face mod. Thank you very much for following. This is a fucking expense tracker as well, yeah? Now, how the hell am I supposed to put this in a pocket and walk around with it and just add all my expenses in? Unless you do them at the end of the day, you come home and just write your expenses in. But sometimes you spend so much in so many different places, long to calculate it. I need a system where it calculates everything straight from my banking into an app. Automatically, where I don't have to do nothing. I don't know if there is anything like that out there. If you guys know, that'd be great. Roger Farris in the house. Good Monday morning. Good day, brother. Good day. Look, man, we don't know what price is doing right now. It might start dumping, guys. Might start dumping. If it dumped from around this area. Thank you very much for following. Mick R8 Yellow. Thank you very much for following. I would like price to go into that area and then just fucking melt down like crazy. That would be absolutely nice for me. I would like something like that. But what's happening is price is just chopping around in this area here, so it can just go against you at any time. If we have a massive push down, I don't care. My position is amazing. Yeah, it is, man. If you have a massive push down and it starts going to that 1 hour gap, then that's not good for you. Then you should be out of your trade. Bro, I hate this. Tawanga, trust me, it's horrible. Roger Faris in the house. Need some fat moves like this where trades just hold and just push down. Can't wait till I'm on a fucking complete funded account. Pissing me off now. I still have to wait one more day tomorrow before they're going to give me my funded account, so that's long, but it is what it is. Prop firms work like that. Sometimes you just got to be in consistency and all the rest of it. Guys, who's on here just for the music and relaxing and listening to conversation? Anybody on here for the actual trading? Is anybody actually trading with us? Anybody in a live trade right now? Chill and chat, that's me, Sila Babila. Yeah, man. Chill, chat, look for an entry. I'm in a sell right now. Says Revenge. I love that name. Revenge Trading is in a sell right now. Good lad. Good lad. Thank you very much for following. I didn't catch your name there, but thank you very much for following. Look at that horrible price action. You see what happened there? Price just pushed up and it just pushed right back down. And now it's creeping back up again. Fucking absolutely shit price action. Look at that. Who's seen that? Who's seen that? Shitty price action. And we need to have a look at the news to see, is there anything fucking about in the news? There's nothing fucking about in the news. We had about 50 people on here a short while ago. Now it's gone down to about 30, 28, 30. We need everyone to just share the live, guys. Share the live, share the love. Hit the share button. Everybody start smashing the like button. Hit the share button. And tell me who's trading. Who's trading right now? What pair are you guys trading at now? Come on, guys. Look, we're on 20,000 likes, yeah? 20,500. We need 25,000. We need 5 more thousand likes. So if everyone could just smash it right now. Yeah, come on, guys. We need about 5,000 likes. just under 5,000 likes. Everyone can start smashing that like button on TikTok. Tila Babila, where are you? What is this choppy ass market? Roger Faris. Roger Faris. And where's the other guy? The other guy, the chat's moved up too fast. Let's have a look where he's gone. And wave trend analysis. Roger Faris and wave trend analysis. Tell me. We know, man, this is truly a shitty, choppy market. It's true, man. I fucking hate that shit. There's a lot of people out there saying that this market's been good and not choppy, but no. This is bad. This is bad market condition. It's a shit one. You can still make profits from it. You can still make some money from it and some profits from it, but it is a shitty market condition. So my take profit would have already been hit at this black line. And then I would have had an extra one here, an extra one here. So TP1 would have been hit. It would have been now either break even or we wait for TP2 and TP3. But that's how it would have been if I was in that trade. But because I'm waiting for my funded account, I'm actually not able to take any trades at the moment. Waiting for retest at 587 for sell. So let's have a look where you're waiting for your retest. Okay, you're waiting here. Okay, so you want some of that liquidity to be taken and then continue pushing down. I see where you're coming from. But sometimes what I hate is when price doesn't retrace deep enough and then just continues without it. I hate that so much. Twizzy in the house. Hello, Twizzy. How are you doing, brother? You all right? Guys, we need you to just give me 4,000 likes. If everyone can look, it's coming into your price now, Sila Babila. Would you take your entry there? It's coming into your price right now. Akiri. Akel, nice one. Thank you very much for following, Akel. Guys, we need about 3,000 more likes. If everyone can just smash the like button. Just smash it. Give us about 3,000 likes. That'd be absolutely brilliant. The rejection on 5 minutes is a bit scary. Trust me. Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah. And then price is right now moving in towards that rejection area. This is what I don't like. Sometimes price gets rejected and then price continues going into that rejected area. Did you enter, Sila Babila? We've only got 17 out of 100 followers. Come on, guys. Start smashing the follow button. Hit the follow button. Let's pump it up. Oh, it didn't touch. Just left without you. Okay. Maybe new all-time highs. Who knows? Yeah, we don't know, man. Just something's happening in the market. It's not a condition that I would like to trade in, but enter the long. It don't fill me. Okay. You entered in for a long and you didn't get filled. AD in the house. Guys, wish you all the best for this week. Micah, yeah, wish you all the best too, Micah. And TikTok thinks I'm inactive, but we're sitting here right now, so I don't know what it's trying to do. Did it fill you in now, Sila Babila, or is it still missed? Still missed your area? Jonah Lian would have made 2k there, but it filled my 1 micro. Yeah, tell me about it. Okay, I get where he's coming from. Someone parked at my house. I don't know if I've got a delivery or not. I've not ordered anything. Lost Investor, how you doing? Thank you very much for following, Lost Investor. I'm going to sit this orb out. Okay. Sila Babila, there's 2 types of orbs that people do. Or there's 3 levels. Thank you very much for following. So there's what you're doing now, the 8 a.m. orb, yeah. And then what they do also, they do a 8 a.m. orb where they mark out the first 15-minute candle on the 8 a.m. orb. So let's just do it right now as we speak. Yeah, let me just mark out the first 8 a.m. candle. So one second. I will show you Sila Babila. 1 second. I just need to check something. So just say this is the... So this area that I've marked out here, that's the 15-minute candle, yeah? And then what they do is, this is another way of doing it as well. What they do, they drop down to the lower time frame. So just say the 1 minute time frame. Yeah. And then this area here now is the 8 a.m. orb. And what they do, they wait for price to, like, let me just draw it out so it makes more sense. They wait for, like, price to do that. And then it gets to a New York open, and then they wait for price to either retest this area of this orb and continue down, or break and retest that area and continue up. That's another way of doing the orb as well. But they mark it out at the 8 a.m. open, and then they keep it, then they trade on it after the 9:30 a.m. session. They do that, and then the other orb is that they do the 9:30 a.m. opening candle, New York session opening candle, and just do it off that one there and then. So that's another style of doing it. So there's different styles of people doing orb strategies. Great explanation, thank you. No problem. I try to, like, tell you as best as I can. Like, sometimes I might just confuse myself while I'm explaining shit. Oh god. Price action is so shit. So shit. You need this candle to break and close down here. Pushes down here, breaks down here, and closes down there. Then you can say, okay, now it's a possibility that it might start pushing further down. These choppy wicks makes it easier to just sit back and relax. Yeah, trust me, like, they're so choppy, you'd rather just sit and do nothing. And if you can't actually find a trade, the best thing to do is just sit back and relax and not take a trade, because at least you can save your money and save your trade for another day and take a shot another day when price action's better, where you got more of a chance of hitting take profit or making profit rather than entering at a shitty time. Look, that's what you needed. But you needed the break and close. You didn't need that wick. You needed that break and close right at the bottom. That would have been nice. But you still got 20 seconds to see what these candles are doing. So you need it to actually break and not close with a big wick there. That's closed properly now. So this can retrace up and then slightly push down a little bit. But then again, we don't know what price has been doing today. You know, it's doing some dumb shit. So we just let it fucking do whatever it's doing. But that would have been take profit hit down here. This is just an extra. This little pink area is just an extra. I'm just trying to see how much we could have squeezed out of the markets if price did continue pushing down. That's what I would like to know. Just want to have a look at what price would have been. So right now we would have been on around about $800, and then if price kept pushing down and closing right down here, that would have been $1,155 for today. That's what it would be. So TP1 would have been smashed. TP1 got smashed there. TP2 would have got smashed there, and this would be TP3. So let's have a look. Would price continue going down as low as this, or would it now stop retracing? Horrible price action though, guys. I would not even want to be sitting in the trade right now. It's just fucking horrible price action. I don't like it. I like faster moves. Syrian USDT. Now I'm on Nasdaq at the moment, bro. Just pure Nasdaq. Mike R8 yellow. Now we need to accelerate. Yeah, tell me about it. Needs pure acceleration. Someone needs to put their foot down. Start motherfucking selling off. I really don't like it. I don't like this price action. It's so horrible. DMD Oakley. Okay, thank you. I did accept it. I managed to get on and accept it quickly before so yeah, it looks like it would just be TP1 and TP2. So probably there, but let's have a look what it's doing. So choppy, isn't it? Horrible choppy price action. Huanga, you said this wasn't choppy price action earlier. This is probably the absolute worst fucking price action. I hate it. I think I should hold on long at US Open. Possibly, you never know. You fucking might. It might continue. If there's a big, massive possible chance that they may continue to create all-time highs. You never know. Keish, good morning. Make good decisions this week. That's a message for myself too. Yes, that's right. Everybody, make some absolute banging, brilliant fucking decisions. Don't oversize, over leverage, force trade, revenge trade, create entries that are not there, and blow your fucking accounts. We don't want to do that. ChatGPT said 80% that it'll green Drake candle. Okay, No problem with your Drake candles, but we don't do none of that batty man stuff. You get me? We just doing trading, normal trading candles. Yo, we got 50 of us in the house. Say whoa. What's happening, everybody? You're very quiet on the chat today. I see you lot sitting there quietly on your screens, but you're very quiet on the chat. What's happening, everybody? Where is everyone? Just hiding behind their phones. Is anyone actually even trading today right now? Is anybody trading today in this nasty price action? Jonah Lian, we all watching the chart in agony. Everyone's sitting there fucking crying, getting pissed off with the chart. Tila Babila, we're biting our nails because of price actions. That's right. Keish, I'm looking for a setup. Akal, yes, I'm in a long. Oh, wow. What price did you take your long in? David Kuna, short. Keish, nothing yet. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Cruise going to be a bullish day. Possibly because we're all-time high, so it can be very, very fucking bullish. You're right. Black Current, no trading day today. Just here to watch the chart. Same. No trading day for me today. I'm just watching the chart. Really can't be asked in this fucking price action. This shit of a price action that we're in today. David Kuna, 610. Let's have a look where price. I probably would have, if I was in this trade, I would have closed it by now. That would have been $900. And then that's it. But I would have been in and out of the trade. I wouldn't have sat there holding it for that long. Not in this fucking price action. I'd just be out. Cruise, York, Akel, 550. Okay, wicked. Akel, how long have you been trading for? Been trading futures for 1 year. Oh, wicked. Scale out 5 micros to start. Yeah. Tell me about it. But I'm literally just I'm on a prop firm, so I've passed my prop firm, but I'm on consistency, so I'm just sitting here for today and tomorrow with my 1p or $1 trade, and that's it. I'm done. I'm literally done. So here's what I'm at the moment. So I had to make $1,500 from a 25k account. I've made $1,500, $1,555.50. 55555. So yeah, we actually done for the day. Options 2 years. Oh, so you've been doing options as well. So do you know your options, your stocks and shares or whatever you're trading in options, or is that call and put? So the buy and sell would be call and put. What prop firm do you use? I'm currently using Take Profit Trader. I love 25k accounts. Yeah, same, man. They're the cheap ones, and just I like to just give myself a few shots just to get in and out. I don't like to be on the big ones at the moment, scaled up sizes. I will do them soon, but at the moment I'm just sticking to my 25ks, because with the 25ks, on 125k I was getting like at least $700 a day on Take Profit Trader. Scaled across 5 accounts, that's after profit splits, you're getting about $3,000 a day. So let's have a look. Let's calculate it on the profit split. So $750 times 0.2, which should be about 150. Yeah, 150. So $600 times 5 accounts. That's $3,000 a day. Yeah, so I would have been out here. So this is what I was saying. That was $750 roughly is about kind of my price where I like. It's like a sweet spot for me. So this trade would have been here. I would have hit my take profit here at $750, or I could have holded it till here about $860, And then this would have just been the third TP, but by the second buy here, I would have been in and out. Oh, you use copy trader. Which one do you use? I use Trade Sinker. Thank you very much, Juju Waterson. Thank you very much for following. I use Trade Sinker. Trade Sinker's absolutely banging. But then there's prop firms where like Top Step and all that. If you're just going to use 5 accounts and Alpha Trader and Project X and Top Step is on Project X as well, and Alpha Futures is on Alpha Trader, they let you trade up to 5 accounts. Yeah, so anything more than that, then you can't, but you can trade 5 accounts. But then if you have your Trade Sinker software, you can trade up to 150, 200 accounts if you want to. Crypto TikToks, hey, how you doing, Crypto TikToks? Oh, you doing micros or minis? These are micros, sorry. That's where my take profit would be, because that's where my price was. I wouldn't have waited for price to go down here. I don't like the price action, even though there's a possible chance that this can push down and close below this. I've been looking into it, just haven't got into it yet. No, it's nice. It's nice to just trade slowly, get the hang of it, start getting used to copy trading, because copy trading can start messing with your psychology as well. I trade 5 Lucid accounts separately though. Okay. It's nice to trade separate as well, because you get 1 day payout and then you can use the next account whilst that one's getting a payout, request a payout on that one. So you're just rotating the accounts. This guy, are you going short? Yes, I've been short. I've been short all this time. I would already be in and out of my trade. This would be take profit done hit. I was just looking to see that where the third take profit would be. That's why I had this. This was here. That's where the third TP would be. So that's why I'll put that there. So that would have been round about there like that. And that would have slowly, possibly smashed it. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's how you do it. That's how you fucking motherfucking do it. Right there. What's that? $1,115. Yeah, in one trade. That's how that trade would play out. But obviously, I would have taken it out earlier. But so how much would that be? 1,115. So 1115. 1,115 times the profit split on take profit trader would be 223. So 1115 minus 223 equals 892. Then you do 892 times that by 5 accounts, or however many you are copy trading. Mine would have been take profit trader would be maximum 5. That would have been $4,460 just for 1 day. Now imagine if you fucking do that across the whole month. Crypto Talks, bro. I'm back in Sweden for midsummer, and I got here 2 days ago, and I got sick right away. Barely left the airport and got sick, laughed my ass off. Oh no, that's not nice. How are you feeling now, Crypto TikToks? Are you feeling a lot better now? Ferrero, bro, has a negative risk to reward. Okay, Ferrero, whatever you're saying, bro. No one's listening to you because we're trading live right now. So, Ferrero, do you want to carry on trading with us, or you just here to talk shit? Roger Faris, I took a short with just 1 micro earlier. Did it hit take profit? Roger Faris, I took a short with just 1 micro. Did it hit take profit, bro? Mike, R8 yellow, I just hit TP. Did you get? I just TP 550. So you're minus $565. Still work to do. Yes, you got a bit of work to do, brother. You need to get yourself back up, but you will get there. You will get there. You will 110% get there, my brother. That will awesome. Sila Babila walked away for 2 minutes and we dropped from 580 to 545. Boy, I'm still fucked XD as long as I'm good by the 17th. I'm happy. Yeah. Hopefully you should be good, man. You should be good. What was it? Water change or something that you felt sick from. What country are you actually from? Where are you from? Roger Faris. Yeah, got TP2. Well done, Roger Faris in the house. Hitting TP on YouTube. That's how we do, bro. Stefan X19 with the love hearts. Yes, man. I'm going to short 479. Bro, Nathan, trading on Mondays. You guys are crazy. Bro, listen to me, yeah? You can trade any day you want. The market doesn't be better on a Monday than it does on a Friday. People sometimes say, oh, Friday is shit, price action. Price action can be shit any day. Price action was shit earlier on today, but it all depends on market structure and where price is going to. So if price is going into a premium or a discounted area, be it Monday night market open Asian session or be it Friday evening, if it hits those points of interest and the markets have got a very good discounted or a premium price, that trade will go and market price action and volume will come into the market regardless, whether it's a Monday or a Friday or whatever day it is. So King of Gold, you can piss out, man, because we don't do signals. I'm going to show up also on our trade on Monday, guys. You crazy. Yeah, we crazy motherfuckers. Juju, what a son. So Gab and will be filled, or I don't know, bro. I don't control the market, so I don't know if what gaps will be filled or what. Roger Faris, I usually have TP set and bring my stop loss to break even when I hit TP1 and so on forward. I hit the next TP. Yeah, that's good. It's called trailing stop loss. That's very, very good that you do that as well, because not only that you're managing your trade well, you are also protecting your capital. So trailing the stop loss is very good. BTC Bitcoin struggling at my resistance from a week ago. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, let's see if it holds, bro. Look at that, man. This is coming right into the take profit area and it's fucking pushed off from there. So is this going to change direction now and continue pushing to the upside, or is it getting just liquidity from this area here to continue dumping? We don't know, because we've already had this one big push down here. So you have to be very careful, guys. Crypto TikToks, give me your BTC analysis on the daily chart. I want to see if we have the same TA. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go to BTC. BTC. So I can't trade it on futures market, so I'm going to look at, this is what I was saying. Look, it might grab liquidity from this area and continue dumping because we don't know what it's doing. Or is it going to respect this fair value gap here and keep pushing up? So this is where you don't trade, guys, and you wait for market structure to give you direction. Now let's go over to BTC. Let's see BTC, Coinbase. I'm gonna have a look at it from a different broker, because my futures broker won't let me open it. So I'm gonna go on it from Awanda. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's go on the 4 hour. Ooh, well, this looks like you're gonna be anything. Okay, so guys, this is Bitcoin. This is just analysis that we're doing with Crypto TikToks. Beyonce is the best. Okay, I'm just gonna look at it from here. Yeah, so we've completely dumped. Wow, we've had the retracement. price is actually going into. See, this is where it would confuse me a little bit, because we've had that such a big dump. We need to retrace. If it is going to be retracing now, we need to retrace into a premium area for price to sell off again. Dal Jones, yes brother, I'm in a buy on NQ. Okay, give me daily, bro, come on. Oh, you want to do the daily? So on the daily, I would say yeah, so either way, it's still not premium price enough to sell off. So we are currently in an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. I would wait for price to come into this area here. It could come into this area here and sell off, but I think price is going to continue pushing up. So if I go over to the, just say I go into the 30-minute time frame, I would keep looking for buys right now. So price can retrace into this gap here, balance the price out, then you drop down to a lower time frame and find your entry. But I think price is bullish and is going to keep pumping. What do you think, crypto TikToks? Zoom out and put the big trend line on it from all-time highs as it's hitting it now. He's broke past all these resistance areas, so you're pushing up. It's just gonna push up. I think it's gonna retrace a little bit and it's gonna continue pushing up. You're in an uptrend right now, so it can just retrace around about till here and continue pushing up, or you might get a big retracement into this area here and then continue pushing up. Yeah, I'm not sure. That's why I don't look at Bitcoin, because I can't see where that is at all-time highs, because I thought all-time highs was all the way up here, maybe even higher than that. So right now I think you're retracing into a premium area before price might sell off again. But that's just me. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, look, that fair value gap here got respected, what I was saying. Yeah. But we're still not broken past this area here. To be fair, I would have been in and out of my trades. That's like, look, one good trade, two good trades, and the third trade, that would have been me in and out. I always do my big time frame technical analysis on weekly, then daily, then I zoom in to get my detailed. Otherwise you miss some strong resistances. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But I just do mine 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, and then I just enter on my 5, 3, 2, 1. I find my nice area of interest where price is tapped into, and I wait for a couple of confluences, maybe 1 or 2, and then I take my entry and just go for it. And then I just try to run it up wherever the price is going on the higher time frame. Crypto TikToks, you intraday traders scare me. I would never. Bro, it's a risk, I know, but what are you then? Are you a swing trader? How long do you hold your trades for? Like 3-4 days, couple of weeks, or longer? It's mad though, isn't it? Crypto TikToks, it's mad because there's so many different styles of trading and there's so many people making money from different styles of trading, and it's just the one that fits so well with you. I can hold a trade for 3 years, my guy. Oh my god. Yeah, but that's because you're one of the big boys, isn't it? So you can like hold trades for fucking motherfucker, hold trade for 3 years. I would want to be taking out profits. I build 3 coin margin positions during bear market bottoms and hold them until bull run is over. But do you know what I am going to do? Crypto TikToks. When I do start trading in the crypto market, up until then, I will be watching your lives and joining you as well, and trying to just understand a bit on what you're doing. Because if I can day trade, and then if I can go over onto the coins and put some trades down on coins and then hold them for long periods of time for like long-term investment, so possibly swing trading or longer, I would love to do that. I will teach you the ways, my boy. Yeah, I'm always open to learning, man. I'm open to learning all the time. What's that? Beneath. Thank you very much for following. Thank you, Salah. Wow, look. My wife just bought me a fruit bowl with all the different fruits. Ow. But it's got like I don't know what they're called, but it's got stuff in it that's really healthy for you. Plus it's got some of these lentils and stuff in, and paneer, which is cheese. It's got good protein in there as well. Crypto, actually, why don't I send you our books once we finish them? Yeah, send me them. That would be absolutely brilliant. And plus, bro, if your books are good and I don't understand something, I can ask you questions. And then when I have people join me that want to do crypto and want to learn crypto, I can tell them. Crypto TikToks. I can explain your book. I can tell them what your book's about. And then I can just get you to take over from there, because I get a lot of people asking me about crypto all the time. Man, you're rich as fuck. But if that brings you food, that's rich. Yes, it is, bro. That's rich. That's why in your young age, you have to like go out there, get experience in the real world, how to deal with women. And then at the end, you just choose the best one and settle down. And the trick to that is you got to stop messing around. You got to stop cheating. You got to stop doing all the dumb shit that youngsters do. And you will get good food like this every single day. Roger Faris, I like to copy trade onto between 3 and 5 accounts. Any more than that, it starts messing with my psychology. Because if I take a little loss on one of them, it calculates across all of them. So it looks like a big loss. See that red number? It starts messing with my psychology. Crypto TikToks, my ex-wife took half of my money. Was mad at me for not giving her more. Oh my god. Bro, I'm older than you, my guy. I hope you didn't tell your ex-wife about your Bitcoin. Imagine that. Took 50% of your Bitcoin. That'd be like crazy. Crypto TikToks, how old are you? My mom owns my assets. Well done. Can't give wifey something that isn't mine. Hee. I'm 38 in August. I'm 41 in November. 1985, baby, right here. Roger Farris, ever thought about scaling up more accounts? Yes, I've always thought about it, and then I always fucking blow them as well. I know it's mentally draining, but I've thought about doing 10 just because it's an even number. Yeah, you can just think of it as one account, the small number account, and then obviously you'll have 10 of them. So just got to make psychology work around it. You should do it. I might do it now that you said that. I might just do it as a challenge and then just put it up on my videos. Birthday's in November. What? Yeah, man. 7th of November. I'm gonna be 41. Crypto TikToks. I'm older than you, my guy. We got Nikki Snyder in the house. Nikki, how are you doing? Are you trading today? Or are you chilling and just watching? Hey, Scorpio energy. Yeah, that's what it is, man. Scorpio energy. Roger Farris is saying, once I get the first few payouts and I get that consistency, then I might get around to it. Yes, you're right. You know what? It's just about doing it once and just be consistent with it for a short while. And you got it. And once your brain sees it, and once your body and brain and mind notice it, that you've done it once already, you will keep doing it over and over again. Crypto TikTok said, I work out every day, eat perfect, so according to my body composition, scale my body is at 31, 9.6 body fat, now to which is mad though. That's really good, bro. I'd love to train every single day. I need to get back in the fucking gym, to be honest with you. I need to get my fat lazy ass in the gym. But because I got diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, my left leg got weakness and I can't walk properly that well. So that's why I get lazy going in the gym. But I need to get my ass in the gym and strengthen my shit up. Roger Farris said we should do a challenge and see who can get the most accounts to copy trade until we blow them. That would be absolutely crazy, wouldn't it? We either make 100k or we blow the fucking accounts. But we making 100 motherfucking k. I'm telling you right now. If we got 10 accounts, we're making motherfucking 100k. Yeah, I gotta do it, bro. Yeah, bro. Do you know what? I tried CBD. I don't know if I was doing it. I got the vape, and I felt like the vape ain't doing shit. So I like vaped too much of that shit, and then I think I was tripping, man. I started hallucinating. I was like, yo, what the fuck is this? So I stopped. I stopped taking it. I was like, no more drugs. It's THC. That's what you need. Yeah. I need something that helps with MS. Sampina, how you doing? Also, try the CBD that you can rub on, not just take by mouth. Yeah, I need to. But I fucking was inhaling this shit. Man, I thought I was falling or standing. I don't know what I was doing. Thank you very much. Ziggy, thank you very much for following, brother. Crypto TikToks, I gotta run. Friend, see you next time. Crypto TikToks, I get a notification every time you come on, so I'm gonna jump on your live later or whenever you're on. Get on our Discord and chat me. I'll see what I can do with the ebooks. Yeah, no problem. I'll jump on your page and then I'll follow you. I've already followed you, but I'll jump on your page and then try and get to your Discord somehow. I'm sure the details are all on your bio or whatever. Guys, if you haven't already and you do Bitcoin and stuff like that, follow Crypto TikToks. He does Bitcoin and stuff. See you later, bro. Guys, that's 2 p.m. It's gone over 2 p.m. What you trade and what time for trade? Bro, I do Nasdaq, NQ. I trade micro Nasdaq. I do 8:30 a.m. GMT London session every single day for around about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Then I have a 2-hour break and then I come back online. Pre-New York session, which is 12 a.m. GMT. Or 12 p.m. GMT, really. And that's 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do the pre-New York session as well. But right now, this is it. This is time. This is me up. I gotta go pick my son up from school shortly. So I'm out, guys. I hope you had a good one, and we'll catch up again tomorrow. Remember, 8:30 a.m. GMT London session and pre-New York session. So join us live every single day, guys. And peace out. And I hope everybody caught this trade today and a few others. If you didn't, it doesn't matter. Just don't force trade, revenge trade, and blow your accounts. Wait for the nice perfect setup. Even if you have to wait like a short while after New York Open, is fine. So guys, I'll see you later. Respect and take care. Thank you for joining, guys.